Hi, Richard from Real Turf Solutions coming to you today for your Tuesday tip to tell you about changing your cut patterns and why it's important. As you'll notice, right now it's kind of cold, but here soon we're going to have spring-like temperatures. With spring-like temperatures, it's going to be green and it's going to need to be cut. You'll notice our crews are on your property cutting every week, and every week they should be changing their cut pattern. This is specific for a reason, because if you don't change your cut pattern, certain things can happen. First thing that can happen is the ground will compact down and it'll create ruts in your yard. These ruts will eventually thin the root system of your grass. Along with the thinning of the grass, this also causes fungus to be easily received into your grass. Why this happens is because the root system becomes weak and the structure becomes weak, and it allows for it to enter. Another reason why we change our cut pattern is to assist in consistent growth. Over time, if you cut in the same pattern, you're going to have little areas of taller grass and smaller grass because of the lay of the land. As long as we're changing your cut pattern, we're making sure that we cut the whole turf at the same height over the span of the month. This will assist in creating that nice green striped yard that everybody's looking for.